led by Kinapawan and Coronadal City.
Set!
Okay, what's the cut? Hey! Blocked by the net. Jersey number 5 on the service line. Kukunin ba ng Coronadal ang set na ito for a third set? Malaman yan. May atabola. Setting up for jersey number 3.
Yes!
It is block and number 8. Papuling. Pero blocked by the net. Impactful. Number 5 still serving. Good serve. Ang atambola. Number 8. Libero. Return. Number 5 setting up for
Yes!
number 3 sa papapower. Let's hit up. Bola ng Kinapawan. Jersey number 5 serving. Now number 5 on the service. Yes! A good
Yes!
serve! Another service ace! Nagpapaulan ng service aces ang ating jersey number 5. Here we go. Another long serve. Naiangat ng Coronadal City. Pero naka-ball for Kinapawan City. Score 5. Serving 0. Another service attempt by our service specialist. Boom! Now serving. Yes. It's a good serve. Pero naman na Kinapawan.
Ah!
Without power. Oh.
Dong! Ay kumpiyansa, Dong!
Jersey number 3 on the service line. Good serve. Naingat ng Kinapawan. And it's a free ball return for a chance ng Coronadal. And it's an attack.
Ah!
Successful pero na-sting. Very good dig from Libero. Number 8 is a soft attack from the front.
Bawi! Bawi! Kinapawan! Kumpiyansa, gid mo!
Number 3 serving. Ang atong bola. Yan. Oh,
Yes!
hampay. Jersey number 12 serving. Alright. It's a safe ball. Another chance ball for Kinapawan. Wala, the power of 2.
Yes!
Number 12 service attempt. Yung bola.
Yes!
Still serving. Nangugat na sila still sa nagugyan na siya na. Wala na siya magtukod o. Alright, ang mga bola. Saktan. Let's see. Placing. Masata. Namumuro na sa service. By the time na mahuman ang service ni jersey number 12, graduate na siya high school. Jersey number 12, serving. Good serve, angat.
Oh, hulog! Oh.
Alright, nakuha ang bola. Number 3 standing up. Brilliant agad. An attack from jersey number 8. That's a combination play. Alright, jersey number 12, still serving. Score 10. Serving 3. Serve! Wow, nakuha ng libero. Pinaling agad for 1 to play. Number 5 setting up, pero pumasok sa kabila.
Oo!
At hindi serving 10. 4, serving 10. A point for Coronadal City. Check. At ang bola, number 5. May pa-slide pa pero nakuha Japon. Balik agad sa kabila. And boom! Oh!
Yes!
Successful attack! Good set, good attack! Is equal sa boom spike. Middle, number 6. Umasa pa sa court. And now jersey number 3 on the service line.
Yes!
Service ace by jersey number 3, Pablo Paul. Number 3, now serving.
Ay!
Score 5, serving 12.
Yes! Good.
At sold out. And number 4, Benitez in.
Ano na lang ako, video na lang po eh.
Okay.
Wala signal.
Jersey number 15, now serving.
Gani. Na!
At ang bola.
Tarong nak, tarong! Oh!
Is good.
Din! Yes!
Setting up. Yes. Oh. Score for Coronadal City. Score 6, serving 13. And for that, we will wait for the whistle of the first referee before serving.
Away!
Jersey number 6 and jersey number 16, Roa, on the service line.
Yes!
Alright, service ace, and it's a ball touch. Okay, Sultan Kudarat and Cotabato Province. Wala pa, wait for the whistle of the referee before entering the court. And that is it. Now go inside. Jersey number 16 on the service line. Good. What? Ibinalik agad. Number 11 for a free ball. Number 5 setting up from the chance ball and nakuha. Jersey number 8. Number 1 on the attack. Ball out. Now jersey number 6. Now serving. Alright. Number 3, pinalik agad.
Nak, go!
Bato. Setting up. Number 10 on the attack. Okay, good receive.
Oh! Kumini pa!
Mga habulin ng Corona daw.
Ay, mo kumpiyansa!
Just maintain the good service.
Oh, yan! Good!
What a good serve!
Yes!
Service ace! Grabe, ginapawat ni number 5 yung paserbol ba? No, galupad-lupad.
Buyag, buyag!
Oh.
Buyag!
May hangtay pa sa taas ba? Hindi pa maglupag sa taas.
Buyag in town!
Whoop! Bam!
Oh, oh, oh!
Yun o, tinapin na naman sila. Serve. Chip, boom!
Ay!
Serving 19.
First ball!
Alright, nangat ang bola. Oh, nasa pata. Number 5.
Dam!
Ay, boom!
Yan!
Oh! Sumabit na. Ay,
Yes.
sumabit from the side of Coronadal City. Score!
Go, Nak!
20. Serving 11.
Go, Nak! Tarong, Nak! Relax!
Good. Matang bola.
Away!
And it's a ball out.
Go, Nak! Isa pa! Go, Nak!
Now serving jersey number 4. Sakso.
Yes! Woo!
Naiangat. Binalik for the free ball at chance ball for
Na.
Kinabawan.
Dong!
At drop ball. Harapan pa rin. Alright, sa patak. Mama Clyde setting up.
Yan!
Ay, nakuha. What a good dig from Coronadal City.
Oh! Dong!
Wala Kinabawan.
Kaya pa! Ay!
Out number 10, Lanasa. In.
Yes!
And
Go,
now,
Jade!
the service line.
Ang iyaan ba ya? Go, Dong! Tarong, Dong!
Number 10 serving.
Yes!
2. 12. In favor of Kinabawan City. Number 6 on the attack. Oh, may pagkaroon pa. May paswag-swag pa. May buhok pa to. Nalaparuhan na dito sa buhok ato. Ano to?
Bantay! Bantay sa bola! First ball! Uy! Uy, na! Ay, bawi! Bawi! Kinabawan!
Hindi pa rin. Gukod sa gukod.
Bawi! Oh!
Wow, good serve again. Alright, ibabalik sa Coronadal.
Oh! Then!
Good attack!
Oh! Yan! Go, Jade!
Number 10, now serving, score 23, serving 14. And this is the match point.
Go,
Match point
Jade!
for Kinabawan City.
Anak ni Eugene o ni Jubil! Go, Jade!
Another point.
Go, Jade!
Jersey number 10.
Isa pa more!
Ay,
Ay,
24.
Bantay dong!
Jersey number 6.
Jay, bantay,
Now
Jay!
the service line, the pressure is on. And it's
Woo!
out!
Yay!
And the game is over.
Over na.
Kinabawan City got the win on this 11th game. 11th match. This is game or match number 11 played between Kinabawan City and Coronadal City. Winner, Kinabawan City! Next game. And the
Yay!
player of the game with
At least,
7
Good luck.
good serves and 7 excellent sets, we have
that's... Yan!
Mama
Congrats!
Clyde
Wala ko kita sulod dahil kay
of
Pinay dong
Kinabawan City.
kalaban.